deployment on election security in a decisive move to ensure safety and maintenance and to maintain peace during the upcoming governorship polls in Anambra State. The State Police Command has received advanced tactical teams from the force headquarters to reinforce security operations across the state. The deployment, approved by the Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Egbetokun, forms part of the Nigeria Police Force's strategic operational plan to provide additional manpower and advanced technical support, including helicopters and drones for aerial surveillance. Receiving the tactical teams in Awka, the Commissioner of Police, CP Ikioye Orutugu, expressed deep appreciation to the Inspector General for his unwavering commitment to the safety of lives and property in the state. He noted that the enhanced aerial surveillance will complement existing land patrols by tactical units, intelligence operatives, and special squads deployed across all 21 local government areas. According to CP Orutugu, the combined efforts of the command and the newly deployed operatives will improve visibility, policing, intelligence-driven operations, and rapid response to emerging threats. He explained that the use of helicopters and surveillance drones will enable real-time monitoring of key locations, border areas, and flashpoints, while ground teams maintain regular patrols and checkpoints throughout the state.